There's a bright red tractor on Spring Hill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
One hot day at Spring Hill Farm, Fee and Tom were hard at work.
Phew! The sooner we get this haystack built, the sooner we can go and cool down. All right, I'm tired too. Come on, Tom, nearly there.
Not everyone was working. Wheezy was still tired after the harvest. The hens were exhausted from laying their eggs for the day. And Purdy just liked sleeping. She was too lazy even to snore. But their afternoon sleep didn't last long.
hi everyone.
It was Matt in his pickup truck, Rev.
Who wants to see my fantastic new mobile phone? Oh, be like that. Has anyone seen Fee? All right, go back to sleep.
That's the last one, Tom, so be careful or the whole stack will fall down. Come on, Tom. You can do it.
I wonder where Fee's got to. Slow down, Tom. It's too hot to rush around. What's wrong? Overheating? Hey, put me down. Oh, no. Was Fee on the haystack? She could be anywhere. I know. I'll ring her on my new mobile phone. There. I can hear it. Careful, Tom. We don't want to hurt her. Oh, look, it's a scarecrow. Oh, it's Fee.
Thank you.
Back in the barn, everyone was dozing off again, or trying to. Tom drove Matt and Fee back to the farmhouse, and no one noticed that the sheep were heading for the hay. The ducks still couldn't find anywhere to settle. Back at the farmhouse, Matt told Fee about his new mobile phone.
It's really small and light. But the best thing is you can record any ringtone you like. Oh, no. I've lost it.
Let's do what you did to find me. I'll call your phone and you listen for the ringtone.
I can't hear it.
You must have dropped it somewhere outside.
But the sheep had made their own ringtone. Fee and Matt looked all over the farm, but they couldn't hear the phone anywhere. But Fee did see the sheep.
They're eating all my hay.
In the barn, the ducks still couldn't find anywhere to sit.
It's no good. We've looked everywhere. I'm never going to find it.
It must be somewhere. Try calling your number again.
I can't hear it. Can you?
No. Be quiet, Mo. Mo, shush.
It's no good. It's gone.
Tom thinks he can find it.
There's no point, Tom.
Is it in Mo's field, Riff? I'll call the number again. Tom, what are you doing?
Hey, put me down.
I don't know what's got into you two. We're looking for Matt's phone. We haven't got time to play games.
Let's go. This is terrible. I need that phone.
I know, but we've looked everywhere. It really is lost.
Finally, Whack and Back found a place where they weren't annoying anyone. Tom was tired after his long hot day, but he still noticed that something about Whack just wasn't right. So he blew his horn. And then he knew where the phone was.
Tom, what is it? He wants us to try the phone again. All I can hear is Whack and Back. There's no phone, Tom.
Tom had an idea. If he woke Purdy, she would chase the ducks.
That's weird. The ducks have gone, but I can still hear them.
Over here.
It's your phone!
Hello?
Hi, Matt. Why's your phone quacking?
It must have recorded Whack's voice by accident. No wonder we couldn't find it.
But Tom could. And I know of a way to say thank you.
What?
It's a surprise.
So Matt drove home with his new mobile phone safe and sound. And Fee gave Tom a good long shower.
That's better. I think it's time we gave Matt his surprise, don't you?
Dum, 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 What's that noise? Is it a car? Is it a plane? No, it's my mobile phone. Hi, Fee.
Hi, Matt. It's me and Tom. We hope you like your new ringtone.
Yes, I'll keep this one. It'll remind me of all the help Tom gave me. Bye.
I don't need a ringtone to tell me how much help you are, because I know already.
Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, Tom, Tom.